Assalamu alaikum. My name is Kanis Pateha. Today I want to talk about the importance of time. There is a famous proverb, time is tight, wait for night. It means time never waits for anyone. That is why time is one of the most valuable things in our life. If we waste time, we can never get it back again. Successful people that use time properly. Students need to valuable time because their study and future depend on it. Making a routine is a good way to save time. In my lifetime is very important and I always try to use my time properly. Times help me study regularly, complete my homeworks and improve myself every day. I believe respecting time can build a bright future. If we spend time in laziness or useless work, we lose good opportunities. Time teaches us discipline, honesty, and opportunity. Every second of time is important for building a better life. For me, time is like life, and using it wisely makes living successfully. In consolation, time is very precious, so we should always respect time and use it wisely. Thank you very much for you listening to me.